Hello, in front of me I've got XGody Car Dash Cam J401 and J401 Pro. In this video I'll show you some specification and features of this camera. Of course, in front of me I've got only one camera, but in this video I'll tell you about two versions of this camera. So basically we've got the standard version which is J401 and the more advanced version J401 Pro. There are some difference, but they are not so much. These differences are not so big that they can affect your driving and safety experience. So follow me in this video, and we are going to start with the specification of both of this camera. Let's start with the J401 camera and let's compare it to J401 Pro camera. So firstly, both of these cameras' screen size is the same. It's about 3 inches. Next, both of these cameras has front camera resolution set as 4K with 30 FPS and rear camera video resolution as full HD 30 FPS. Also, both of the cameras have built-in microphone and storage compatibility to micro SD up to 128 GB. Also, both of the cameras have working temperature around -15 to 75 Celsius. Then, Car Dash Cam J401 does not support Wi-Fi, GPS and voice control, but J401 Pro does support these functions. Now let's go to the features. Let's start with J401 and then let's go to J401 Pro, because J401 Pro has the same features as his standard version, but also has a little bit more of them. So, the standard version of the camera has features as 4K plus Full HD front and rear camera resolution, parking monitor, screensaver, date stamp, G-sensor, loop recording, auto start recording, audio video recording, and key sound. Let's go to the J401 Pro, which has the same features as the standard version and also has GPS speed display, speed unit switch, GPS auto update time, GPS track, voice control, Wi-Fi app, etc. Now we can go to accessories. The standard version comes with dashcam, rear view camera set, car charger, suction mount, crowbar, cable clip, instruction manual, screen wipe cloth, 3M stickers and screw. The J401 Pro version comes with the dashcam, rear view camera set, car charger, suction mount, crowbar tool, cable clip, instruction manual, screen wipe cloth, GPS part, short Y USB cable, screen wipes, 3M stickers and also screw. And that's basically all about the specifics. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.